Welcome to the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable, Lagos, Port Harcourt and Abuja, Wazobia Max UHF 57, Lagos, Port Harcourt and Abuja, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable. We also do online, www.wazobiatv.tv/live. And this is the Ogbonge Politics Discussion Show. As it is hot, every weekday from 10 to 11, don't turn Christmas. Sake of say, all the action to the way they come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. We go carry them, drop them down, talk the matter the way anything be, give you license to chook mouth inside and talk them the way anything be you for body so that those when they lead us go do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name na Ezugo Chokwote, and as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabi well as they concern the political matter as it is hot.
Good morning, our wonderful viewers. A beautiful Tuesday morning for Natuna. And we don't carry us to the hot coming again. That program with the information of different political activities where they happen for within Nigeria. Yes, would they say finally we don't sign budget. So what could they look for? What could they anticipate? That be the main we won't do it in. That be the main we will go address today. I'll get one of Bonga guys for house. We'll go also do it. We'll go also address the matter, follow us, chook mouth, so that at least you will also help us analyze, break down, so that we will know where we head to on this matter. My name never see change. My name now could be and this now as it is hot. Our
Ogbonge visitor now somebody when we say any issue when concern Nigeria, the thing they do for body like say in the vex because he be passionate Nigerian and a very patriotic Nigerian. Any matter when get to do with politics for inside the border Nigeria, if any topic when you carry come, he go chook mouth inside. So long as say now in the interest of Nigerians, he now also qualified chartered accountant. That is to say anything when get to do with money for inside this our border Nigeria. You know they take and joke and he carry height resemble President Muhammadu Buhari. When we start all this discussion, you go understand the reason why I give all this explanation. And they talk of no other than our Ogbonge visitor, Oga Alexa Wilcox. Oga Alexa Wilcox, welcome to us.
Chikudi, that one for you and Kubio. This kind of appellation when I give you this money, my head just the.
You know be small man, you know be small man.
No, it's really hot. It's really hot.
As usual, Oga Alexa.
Are they happy son bring me? No, you don't ever come here.
You're welcome very much, sir.
No, what full ground.
We not go waste time. We go just go straight into the topic when we carry come. Friday went past. A lot of Nigerians roll out the drums and the red carpet to celebrate. Say our President Muhammadu Buhari saying carry in Biro, put in signature for inside the 2016 budget of change. For 16 years of uninterrupted democratic rule, we don't get budget back to back. But Nigerians, they always complain. So at the end of the day, you know, they affect the lives of the citizenry. That is everybody inside Nigeria. As they be like saying, now only some people now they benefit from it. But the 2016 budget is special. Aside from the fact, say the APC-led government come and talk, say this budget, now budget when we say it go cover everybody inside the border Nigeria and it go bring change inside Nigeria. They submit them on the 22nd of December 2015. But since that time, we don't get back and forth. They say the budget lost. They say no loss. They say they pardon. They say they no pardon. They can't say they put some kind of things, they come out some kind of things. Oga President will tell the executive people, say, this particular one, when we prepare, as the legislature don't look and finish, we go look at them again to see, say, K-leg no enter inside the arrangement. And it take some time before he sign up. But last week, Friday, for inside Aso Rock, for the sitting room there, in carrying Biro, signed the thing, and everybody from Nigeria begin to jubilate, they celebrate. But some people don't come and come and say, okay, after we sign this budget now, waiting be the way forward. And now why we carry this topic come, say, as President Buhari don't sign budget, waiting be the way forward. We don't get our Ogbonge chartered accountants when join us inside studio and they discuss 6.06 trillion naira when they start the budget. One check waiting, they carry us go forward. Oga Alexa Wilcox, once again, welcome to As It Is Hot.
Thank you very much, Okudi and Nkube. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Make we no waste time, make we go straight into all this our discussion. Now the first time in a long while when we say everybody put body inside our budget, the ginger say make we do this particular budget or make we not do this budget. But before we go enter inside this particular discussion, with the question when I go ask you, we go rush enter inside one small break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue this our discussion as it is hot. No go anywhere.
Welcome back. The program now as it is hot and on today matter we they look the budget to then sign and the question can be say we don't sign budget over time but then we never really see the effect of the budget so we don't sign over time and that is for the last 16 years of democratic rule. And this budget, we say a lot of Nigerians get, somehow, people say will get a lot of hope on top because of the change, this the way they attach around. The question comes to say, how far this budget will go to ensure, say, at least, it reflects on the life of Nigerians. Chukudi still there for studio. Oga Alexa still there for studio. And Chukudi, if you want to ask one question before we
Oga Alexa Wilcox, quick one. Oga Presido talk and say, they feel the pain of Nigerians. The Senate President, Oga Bukola Saraki, talk say, Nigerians go benefit from this particular budget. Yes. They also talk and say, about 350 billion, they go inject them into the economy. 200 billion into construction. The direction when everybody they talk, because now talk first, we never see action. Exactly. Now something when we say go trickle down to benefit everybody inside Nigeria. I go like make you share your optimism or pessimism about this particular budget, because on the one hand, we get people when talk say, Oga Presido, a man of integrity. As he don't talk, now him go do am. You get other people when they talk say politicians, they be one and the same. As they know they talk since 1999, it be like saying now waiting they will continue to they do. What will be the things when we say this government don't put in place, or what you don't see when you know say this budget go different from the other budgets?
Chukudi, thank you very, very much. Number one, just on the latter mode, what they call it, one cartoon. Right, say Presido, they talk say, in use pencil sign, no. If you see any mago inside the thing, you just clean. You just clean now. But that one, just the form. You know, this budget, Nigerians get interested now. Because and it's good because the consciousness of Nigerians don't they wake up to the fact that they want to hold their government accountable. True. That's why everybody. And for me, really, I mean, as somebody that is well informed in some of these things, I didn't see any need for that. But you know, the fact that
any need for Nigerians
to have that so much interest in federal government budget.
But it not be something will reflect in their life.
No, it will reflect in their life because you see, Nigeria they run 3 tiers of government. Okay. Federal, state, and local. Yeah. No, but you see, all of us shift our attention to federal, to the federal budget. Maybe because now this APC change of government can't cause everything. Because last year before last, nobody talk about budget like this. You know, so some people bad belly, and let's see what they can do. Some people good belly, and we are doing it right. So there's this dichotomy in the country. So that created that interest. And then again, because the fact that the budget go forward, backward. First of all, when it reached National Assembly, they said, oh, they pardon.
Say miss.
Then from there, miss, pardon, missing, and everything. And let's not forget one thing. The president been saying, make we use what they call zero-based budgeting. Before now, they use envelope, which envelope means incremental. You spent 10 naira last year. This year, because of inflation, we'll go spend 12 naira. Okay, next year, we'll spend 14 naira or 20 naira. So just take the same items and put them. The president say, no. That one fraud, this thing. Now, let us do zero-based. Zero-based means we start from scratch. For instance, now, things like, say, buying of cars. For instance, every ministry, every year, go see cars for their budget. If today they buy 3 cars, next year they go say we want 4 cars. And that day they say, you know, computer, the same thing. You are buying computer, you are buying cars every day for the same department, for the same office, the same everything. So that one incremental. But the president said, no, move start from, okay. That means, okay, we'll never buy a car for this place. Do we need car here? That is zero-based. Now, do we need a computer in this place? That is zero-based. But because of the fact that the time we then get to do, because zero-based no be small, now you need technical competence.
Very true.
And the civil servants, they are not trained in those areas, so just incremental. So the time was short, and so there was a lot of modeling up, which I forgive the government. So but when things reached National Assembly, and why they call them budget of change? Because the budget this is the biggest budget we've ever had in our history. The last we had, the highest was about 4-point-something trillion. As we've gotten to 5. Then they now scaled down when oil price
came down.
That is last year. They now came down to about 3-point-something trillion. This one has 6-point-something trillion. And people they say, why 6-point-something trillion when we don't get money? You understand? Now, what are the components? What are the components of the budget? Will be say it will affect you and me? Where I think Nigerians should be interested in. Now, Nigerians, unlike there are 2 sides of the budget. There is the recurrent, there is the capital. The recurrent are the one way they do every day, salary, overhead, buy stationery for office, buy car for operation, buy computer. Those one are they call them recurrent. Then the capital. Now the one way they use they build roads, bridges, schools. hospitals, all those big projects them where you go see. That one might be capital. Now, the area will affect us indirectly, not directly. Now that capital. Now the area will affect every people directly. And that will not feel reach you. Now the current, because the current now only those people where they work for the government, where you pay salary. Now it will still affect you. Because if you get brother who they work for government, when they roger them, you go remember you send you card, send you this, and so that one indirect affecting. Now the one will affect you well. Now that capital.
True.
Because that one, when they build road like this, bam, you go walk out that road now, and you go make your journey time shorter,
faster. Yes.
You go give you security. Because you know, sometimes when you're there for Porto, the bad people
guys
fit land. But you know, if your road is smooth, they move. Then when they spend money on that one, that capital, you know, they will award contracts to contractors. Contractors go now employ people,
workers,
go work, is them. So when they pay contractor will now pay workers. So that will be what they call employment. And then the workers now go come buy food. Those where they sell food for production side.
They are normal needs. Their needs.
So good. So there will be what they call stimulation of the economy. Economy go the boom. In the economy, you go the reboot. Like with the for computer. You know, things go they come up. So that is where it will affect you and me. But inside this budget now, because APC say the budget of change, they now come put some kind of big money, about 500 billion. So this one now for specific intervention. We they call intervention because they now discover say a lot of poor people in the country. You know, before they say they go pay school leavers,
5,000
leavers. But after they go look at why go pay people? Wait a 5,000. So there are areas where we do. So they cost okay instead of paying for 5,000, we can employ 500,000 teachers. You understand? Because we discover say in our country we face one fact: teachers they ensure supply. Now only Rivers State government, I don't even try. In one recruitment, they recruited about 13,000 teachers. 13,000. Now Rivers State
people the ones when they don't pay them.
No, but they try because at least they try because.
But person when they work, not be try. They suppose they try. You suppose they pay.
No, what I'm saying is at least they employ the man now, make it the home. At least one day you go pay him. The man happy say.
But this 500,000 when they go employ now. This is the problem. You don't paint very good. You don't paint very fine picture about this.
No, I don't feel that way.
No, but the one where you don't paint so far, now very fine picture.
Yes.
Anybody when they wake up now, when watch all this, see we don't talk, say we go. The person belle go sweet.
No, make it no sweet yet.
But make we the reality.
That they go make it no sweet yet.
Okay.
So when the federal government go employ that kind of people, then they go also do what they call conditional cash transfer. There are some people where their own poverty, they pass O2O. They are the poorest of the poor. In fact, now President Jonathan started that program. Some of these very local village people, but they tie into something. We don't know if you send their children to school. Okay, you go send your picking to school. We will give you 5,000 naira every month. On the condition, say you send your children to school, you are small picking that you do immunization for them, and also they do to ginger people
to come out,
take advantage of other big opportunities. There they call the poor of the poor. Then they're not okay. They also they do this school feeding in primary school
as part of their
as part of
waiting there. So they will
them promise the people this school feeding. They go start some pilot states. Okay, as the time you go, thing will increase. Now your apprehension is very right. They go feed do them. Waiting go make them go feed do them. Now if money no dey. Because budget na estimate. Let's just get budget na estimate. It's just like even in your own house, when you earn your salary, I go, you know, somebody do like me. Everyone they do my budget. Every year they do yearly budget too. In this year, I go do that. I go do this. So but no, if my salary run through the whole year, I get increase. I do this. I do that. I go fit do everything. But when the money no come, you don't go fit do everything. That's when they call budget performance. You know, they get what they call. We don't hear that story before. Some people will tell us, okay, the capital budget only 21% performance. That's why when would they say people don't would they hear budget every year? What did they happen? So they budget at 21% performance. And what in government they pass they do? That recurrent side, they go finish them. They go spend them. In fact, they go do what they call environment. Vehement means if this one no complete, we go tell us assembly, pass this money to this other head. That's what they do before. Like they oversee travel. When they finish
all those ones,
they go tell
say the money don't finish.
Then go tell.
Then they waste time for that one.
They go do vehement. Quick. When they call vehement to transfer money from one head to the other head, they go do them sharp. Spend that one. But the side they know they touch. What do they agree do well? Now that capital side. That is why because you go here say we go build 20 roads. At the end of the day, they don't go build one.
We just know exactly.
If they want to build, and they go just.
They still approve. They go approve. But then the building, it don't
go do. So, but now, this government say no. We go establish monitoring mechanism. Every 3 months.
With the monitor.
Then they give reports. Where they go show the whole Nigeria. No, one thing about governance, not transparency.
Yes.
If the books are, if the thing is transparent, that is, I can come and tell you,
say as
we do them. They don't understand because if I tell us, okay, we expect to get 10 naira this month, but we don't get 10 naira, we only get 7 naira, and we don't plan 10 naira thing. So we can't get 7 naira. No, okay, so we only do 7 naira own. We hope say next month, if we get 13 naira, then we'll continue.
True.
Because right now, even right now, we don't do some shortfall. Because when they do the budget, we predicated say, most of our money they come from oil.
As before now.
Oil, yes. Oil they give us but again, one good thing, which I must also let the viewers know. One good thing about the budget is that this year, oil is taking a third position in the funding.
Okay, fine. If you talk say oil, this thing, make I even take them back to make I quote one thing where one of our regular visitors also talk. Oga Martino Novo. He get what they talk recently. He talks say the budget no get any economic logic. Want to say the money, just like say the whole money where the budget involved, now money where them borrow. Where them borrow. She go agree with this statement, say no get any economic logic because they no really plan for them. And because of say the money, now money where them pick up from somewhere, they borrow from somewhere.
I no go want to talk about Martino Novo. Man, we don't meet on serious occasion, we know, and the experience not that good. Martino Novo lost election. So you can understand when you go feel the way they feel. So, and you know the economist, so you don't understand. And that is being ignorant of what is happening. Now, the budget now for 6.something trillion. Let me break it down. Government will receive from oil, according to their projection, 900 billion. They will receive from taxes.
Yes, from taxes.
From taxes, about 2.something billion. Now, they will receive from bilateral negotiations and everything, about 100 billion. Now, what government is hoping to borrow is 2.1 or 2.something billion, about 2 billion.
As earlier stated.
That's what they want to borrow. Now, if Martino Novo is telling you, say, there's no economic gain, then he's ignorant of what planning is. And now, let me tell you where they want to borrow. The borrowing is not for consumption. Borrowing no bad. Borrowing no bad at all. Borrowing a good thing because every country they borrow, everybody they borrow. You borrow for investment. You don't borrow for consumption. If you borrow now, okay, you want to buy a bag of rice, you go borrow money, you're a foolish man. But if you want to sell rice,
I can't borrow.
You go borrow money,
buy,
sell.
You go not say yes, gain.
You go return the money where you borrow.
Also
you go get gain or change on top. That is where borrowing good. But if you want to chop rice, you go borrow. Go buy a bag of rice, put for your children. Your wife knows where thing come from. They got know the thing. When the man will get the money, go come back because say, oh, borrow the money now. They begin to look up and down. The rice don't go. But if you borrow the money, go buy rice, see they sell. You go raise money,
very true.
Pay the man where you borrow money from, and then you get change.
Okay, Alex,
take it yourself.
We don't break down this. We don't start the talk where from where you stand now, you get very, very certain. Say with the kind of things we don't put in place, this budget they're different from the way we need it before. Make we talk about the economic. Make we talk about the monitoring team now. Yes. Those when we say, Oga Presido don't talk. Say, okay, every 3 months, make una they come back, they give us reports. And this budget, them prioritize 34 key projects: health, education, infrastructure, and the rest of them. Make I ask this question: starting from Friday when Oga Presido don't sign this budget now, when you think say be the first time When we suppose first look, say, okay, oh, this budget, this 2016 budget now, how far? No be
very good question.
To say how far?
Very good question. That's why I want to point out to get Nigerians. You know, when I say this anxiety over the budget, you don't need them.
But it come from promise now.
You don't come from promise.
Say once they sign this budget, everything go there okay.
Nobody promises that one, though.
No, they promise.
Now you tell them. Nobody promises that one.
No, we don't hear that from a lot of them now.
Say they go create 500,000 jobs.
The moment they sign in budget, say a lot of things go change. Nigerians go dey happy and all that.
That one. Now conjunction of press or people's ideology. Okay. And because if you, like I just tell you from my beginning, you don't even need to worry about federal government budget. Where things they work better. Ambode budget now 400 and something billion. Nobody talk about them. That is the Lagos State. Ambode budget now 400 and something billion. Nobody. Is this 100? I don't forget. Between 400 and 600 billion, and that's Lagos budget. Lagos, yes. Now, Lagosians should be interested in what is happening with that one. Now, there are 58 local governments in Lagos. Now, I don't know Etiosa. I don't know Etiosa budget. I suppose they mother. What Etiosa they do? They spend. How much they want. Or how Etiosa want to affect me. That's why Nigerians should be bothered. Because now, federal government budget is for the whole country. Okay? And most of the budget will go to recurrent. Now, state government's budget, they even go more in capital. Because they have smaller recurrent, smaller overheads, more capital.
Yes.
And the capital go affect everybody.
As just as I thought, now it only they based on federal capital and projects.
Yes.
I'm
talking of the federal government own. Federal government capital project too. Now, those interventions where those ones I mentioned now is the one that government want to spread around. So the citizens
from this talk
I don't contribute them. Let me just make this point. So Nigerians, they are getting it wrong. And I don't talk about before for other stations. I say, not be say the day the man sign and I won't cure all. So see, when they give ourselves too much hypertension.
So we will not get hope now for this government.
You get like hope. When there should be a starting point.
When we go see anything? When we go see and which time?
Right now,
which day you go start?
Look, I don't know if you give you date, but I know the government. Right now, last week they approved those 34 priority projects.
Okay.
Now, the president has been very disciplined. No one spend because we know our God president. Now, someone that wants to follow the law.
Due process.
So you don't want to spend anything on capital law, but the recurrent must run because you go pay salaries and everything. So you don't want to spend capital. But right now, they don't already I believe they don't already get their work cut out. That's why before the budget was signed, they don't approve those projects. Okay, those 34 key projects, they don't approve them. Yeah. So they don't go through, they have gone through they are shorting the procedures. Now, if I tell you the process of awarding contract in the ministry, you're going to say, it's something, they go start,
they go give you one enter into a ministry.
You go do tender. If first of all design the project, you now call for tender. Tender will concede. That is the way the project is. Not saying that they don't start today. Tender will concede. They can't approve. They can't do bid, can't open bid, can't do quantitative technology, do this, do that. Can't package them.
By the time
but then again, government will enter May 29, 2015.
Exactly.
When already talk say, see the kind thing. So
1 year down the line, last time 1 year so far.
Right now, they don't. That's what I'm telling you now. They don't already cut out those projects. That's why they don't approve them. So right now, those projects, they don't finish all the backyard work.
Now to just enter into that.
Good. Now wait. They don't assign budget. I believe that in the next 1 week or so, they're going to award contracts.
Okay.
And then when they award contracts, they will mobilize. Maybe 15% mobilization. When they mobilize, then people will go into site. For instance, this Lagos Express Road, I'm sure one of those projects, they don't stop and since. So, but now, if they now award contract today, now, bam, as soon as the alert hits the bank, they go deploy to site. They go begin to employ people. Now, there are projects that can get immediate value. There's one that can take time. For instance, if you want to build refinery, you don't go just see refinery.
They happen overnight.
Because number one, they go down identify the site. So the first set of things you go to see now, clean of sites, marking.
But at least action go to happen.
Action could happen. So right now, what we're going to see in action. So if it not affect you directly today,
But subsequently,
but you go to see them. Now the one will go affect you directly. Now those ones I don't call now, like the employment.
Yes.
That one now they feel advertise tomorrow. If they don't say people go apply you, and of course even they advertise tomorrow now, say apply.
But even at that, okay, let's start. Directly or indirectly, all these things, either capital or anyhow we mention, it affect Nigerians.
No, it affect Nigerians. It affect Nigerians. Yeah. But like I told you, if you know the work for, if you know the work for federal government. You are not in the armed forces and police. You are not in the paramilitary custom and all that things. You don't get any business. That's what they are doing now will not affect you. Except you get brother. Like I get some friends now with the ministries. When month ends, so I say, nah, man, I let me small now. Them to get family, you know, dependent, they get family. Where the thing they roll, they reach. You know, when one money come like this from any, maybe your own salary, if they roll. You know, your babe go collect, your wife go collect, your friends go collect, and I go bar now. You go collect your own share.
Very true.
And so economy they.
Okay, but Oga Alex, I will cook. Based on your experience now as a chartered accountant, especially when we say you sabi economics where you don't see all these things, make it not be like how they place you on the spot.
No. Place me no problem.
I will just ask you this particular question.
Maybe as they place me, so I go reach
now. In the next 7 months, say December 31, 2016. If you based on all these things where you don't drop down.
I see the crystal ball.
Based on all these things where you don't drop down, and what you they see now. If we go talk say on a scale of 10, with the body language when this government don't show new sheriff in town and action when they get, you think say this government will even score half of all these things where they don't plan? Because remember say December go be 7 out of 12 because they don't say you go down reach May of 2017. But you should by December the way this government take them slow.
Consider the fact that see, because normally everybody is supposed to come in at the beginning of every year.
Somehow.
But yeah, midway into the year, the people say we don't enter the mid-year already. Now in this budget call it that budget we say they don't design for this year. We say we go see that key thing. You know, but before you go this thing, make we quickly go for this break. Once we come back, Oga Alex go do it. You go address the question we don't ask.
We'll go trash him.
Yes.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.